What's up, guys? Today we're gonna stir things up and fry your mind. That's right. Woo! Whatever. Today we're doing a vegan stir fry because I am vegan and that's how I eat. Anyway, vegan stir fry, and we're gonna do some egg rolls, guys, with a vegan feeling. It's gonna be great. We're gonna eat some good food, and you're gonna like it. Whip it up, Chef Tim. What's up, guys? So today we are doing a lovely, short, simple dish. We're doing egg rolls and a vegan stir fry. So what I've done beforehand is I have chopped up some cabbage, julienne, some carrots, and then I also chopped up some green peppers. That's gonna be our filling. So right now I'm gonna start working on the peppers and the tofu and stuff for our stir fry. So what we're going to use today for our spices is going to be our salt, pepper, ginger, garlic, chili powder, crushed red chili flakes, some soy sauce, some brown sugar, and then we also going to use some mandarin oranges for the flavoring with that as well, and give it a nice little kick up to the sauce. So it's quick, simple. Let's get to it, all right? Guess what time it is? Tofu! 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 Boom, 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 boom. It's time to get the tofu cut, baby. That's right! All you meat eaters should shut your face! I'm eating tofu today. Let's cut it up. I like it because it's very... Look at that. Like butter. Look at that. Cut through it. No scissors at all. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I put gravy on it. Oh yeah.
So, I have two pans heated up. I have my wok ready to go for my stir fry, and also my other saute pan over here ready for my egg roll filling. So, these bad boys are almost to the point where they're gonna be hot. So I'm gonna get these bad boys going, season them up. Rigger down this one for the egg roll filling, let that cool for a little bit, and then this one I'm gonna throw in my tofu first, get that browned, and then throw in my vegetables, season up, and start making a sauce with all that, okay? Oh yeah. Wait, there's more. Hurry. Tofu time. I like tofu. So, for my tofu, I'm not gonna season that too much because I got other flavors to add to it, okay? Other flavors to add to it. So, to give a nice little salt and pepper on that one. Got a couple quick tossing at that one right there. I'm gonna let this one go for a little bit because I want to get some brown on this tofu. And then I'm gonna move over here to our egg roll filling. Salt. Dry out some of that cabbage. You don't want it too wet in there. You want a nice moisture, but you don't want too much in there because therefore it will leak through the egg roll wrapper. Some garlic. You guys know I love me some garlic now. A little bit of chili powder in that bad boy right there. A little bit of ginger. All right. So what I've done here with my stir fry is I've added in my peppers, my onions, and my carrots, giving that a nice brown to it. Added my other seasonings like garlic, ginger, red pepper, chili powder, and now I'm going to add in my citrus element to that as well. And so just going to start grating some orange zest over this, give that little kick to it, okay? Not too much there because you want to do more of the orange juice than the orange zest. Okay. So I'm going to add about just a tablespoon of orange zest to that. And I'm going to use the juice from 2 oranges, okay? And what this does is it gives it a nice sweet element to it. So I'm going to kick it up a little notch here. A little bit of soy sauce to this to balance that out, and do about 3/4 tablespoons of brown sugar to this, just to give that sweetness and counteract the pepper that I put in there earlier. So that's all in there now, and let's go. The smell on this bad boy right now is just amazing. I wish you guys would hear the smell of it actually. So I'm kind of just incorporating the brown sugar into the sauce of this. So now what I've done here is that I have taken my egg roll filling off the heat, put it on, transfer it to a plate, put it in the refrigerator for about 20-40 minutes. Just let it cool down to the point where we can roll it. So now it's at that point. So this is a simple and easy way to roll up the egg rolls. I'm going to show you real quick. Now, what you want to do, keep handy, is a little bowl of water while you're rolling your egg rolls, because this is going to help you seal up the egg rolls, okay? So I'm just going to do about, not even that right there, okay? Right there in the middle of it, I'm gonna do a little bit more, just give it a little bit more fullness to when you roll your egg roll. You want to take both sides in, like so. Bring your opposite side, which is going to be tucked into the egg roll, over the filling. Tuck it back over, and then whatever is your sealing corner, you're gonna wet that with some water. Roll it nice and tight. Egg roll. All right, my favorite time, plate up time. So we're gonna do a square plate here. As you can see, this beautiful golden brown egg rolls fried up very nicely, very evenly. As you can see, that's the reason why I said put the water on there to give a nice seal to it. Look at that, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna cut into the bad boys on a bias like so. Look at that right there. Rolls. Yes, here it goes. The vegan stir fry. Yeah. Look at that came out. Look at just how beautiful the colors are. Look how vibrant this is. Awesome. Now, real quick, put some fresh parsley on here. What's that? And there you have it, guys. Guys, once again, I thank you guys all for coming out, allowing me to come into your living rooms, where you may be at work, wherever you are on the computer, phones, your tablets, laptops, whatever you're watching on, because you could have chose any other video, but you chose mine. Thank you so much. This has been Whip It Up with Chef Tim. Stick a fork in it. It's done.
Alright, y'all, we're back again. Another great one with Chef Tim. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to all our social media platforms, and join us back next week. Let's whip it up.